ever wonder where you're gonna grow older alongside with your kids? Let me tell you, Oak Tree is the place calm and the perfect place for you and your family. Let me show it to you guys. Hey, what's up guys? This is Fabio Alvarez, your favorite real estate agent here in South Broward. And today we're gonna take a look at the Stardom Model here in the Oak Tree community. One of the best places to live, one of the most desirable homes here in this community. So let's take a look. Hello guys, welcome to Stardom. This beautiful home, starting from 2 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bedrooms to 2.5 to 3.5 bedrooms. 2269 square feet plus. This is one of a kind layout in the Stardom. Gives you the kitchen, a commanding central location overlooking the cafe and the gathering room. A guest suite and a private owner suite both offer privacy, natural light, and spacious walk-in closets. There is no shortage of storage in this open floor plan, from the huge laundry room to the open garage space, or optional 3 garage space. Enjoy guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys like the house. I hope you guys like the tour. If you guys have any questions about this community or any other community in particular in this area, please don't hesitate to call me. Just reach out to me. Okay, subscribe to the channel. Just hit that bell ring. Just anything that you guys need to know, I'll be here for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.